Welcome to Soil Science and Earth Science. Today we are going to learn about the concept of land and soil. Land is two-dimensional entity representing the geographical area and landscape. So what is landscape? Landscape, everything you can see when you look across a large area of a land. Land is broadly defined as the physical environment consisting of relief, soil, hydrology, climate, and variety vegetation in solar as they determine the land use. Here we can see the landscape image consisting marked with the fold location representing a piece of land. So the question arises, is the land is the smallest identity of a soil? So the answer is no. The smallest identity of a soil is known as pedon. Pedon is the small basic soil entity or a soil unit, whereas the polypedon is a similar pedon and the land is the collection of dissimilar polypedon. Pedon is somehow similar to soil profile, but the soil profile is three-dimensional and the pedon is hexagonal in shape. If we talk about the area of a pedon is 1 to 10 meter square depending upon the soil variability, and the polypedon is depending upon minimum is 1 kilometer and maximum is unspecified. Let's understand through this diagram. The earth is consist of earth crust. Earth crust consists of land and the land is nothing but dissimilar polypedon, and the similar polypedon is known as soil individual, which consists of pedon, which is somehow similar to soil profile. A polypedon is therefore defined as a continuous similar pedons bounded on all sides by not soil or by a pedon of unlike characters. It is the real physical soil body which has a minimum area of more than 1 square kilometer and unspecified maximum area. The polypedon are the real soil body that we classify into series and higher categories. In this landscape image, we can see that a polypedon consisting of similar kinds of pedon over a large area. We have covered the concept of land. Let's understand what is soil. Soil is the three-dimensional body having length, breadth, and the depth is hidden below the land surface. The height of a soil is basically depth of a soil, which represent the vertical section of a soil known as soil profile. Land use is the utility of a soil over an area based on soil physiochemical properties. Soil physiochemical properties consist of minerals, soil organic matter, microorganisms, and the soil nutrition. And the different land use are orchard, agriculture, vegetable, forest, and grassland land use. Orchard land use require less amount of fertilizer. It is for long duration for economic yield, whereas the agriculture and vegetable land use, it is for short duration, requirement of high dose of fertilizer and management practices. The forest land use covers the forest trees having high organic matter accumulation during the over period of time. And the last one is the grassland land use having low fertility status and undisturbed land which is unsuitable for cultivation